In my last video, I talked about using vibration as a way to reduce tenderness, sensitivity after someone has had liposuction and are finding the MLD, that light touch MLD massage, really intense right after surgery. They say it feels like you're rubbing on a sunburn, feels like you're rubbing on a bruise. So what I do is I use a vibration to reduce that sensation for them and make it easier for them to touch themselves with their hand, and also for easier for the massage on them. So these are the two tools that I use. Like I said, this is a lactation massager, so it's ergonomically for a woman's hand, so I like that as a massage therapist. But the one downside of this is that it's so small. So the upside is you can get into like little nooks and crannies with it, but the downside is it's a little small. So this is the other tool I'll use. This is a tool that was tested and found to reduce cellulite. So but it vibrates when you turn it on, and it's USB charged and it vibrates a little. I don't know if you can hear or see this, but I use light pressure for both of these devices. So I'm not really like getting in there like it's some kind of body sculpting, body contouring treatment. I'm using it more with the pressure that you would use when you're using that electric toothbrush that has the vibration. So you're just letting it lightly sit on the skin. You're lightly moving it across the skin. And for my client, I had actually her use it. So she knew exactly where, with her mind, she knew where her hand was going to be. So it didn't scare her. It wasn't unexpected, the pressure or the movement or where the vibration was going to be. And like I said in my previous video, it took her less than a minute of using the vibration tool for her to feel a difference, for her to be able to say, this vibration feels really good, whereas your massage felt really intense. And then when she put it down and I said, put your hand on yourself, and she said, now I get less of that intense feeling when I put my hand on myself. And I was able to give her the rest of her MLD massage after her liposuction with a lot less discomfort on her side. So that's why I really love vibration. And it is just giving input to your the sensors that are in your skin that are sensing, is it painful, is it hot, there's a lot of different sensors in the dermis, so it's your sense receptors that are getting affected by this. Is it also reducing swelling? Maybe.